everyone, my name is Evgeniya Maksimova. I'm the leading natural eyelashes trainer of Lens company. Today we're going to talk about Lash Botox procedure. As an example, today we use Regenerating Booster for Eyelashes of Lab & Beauty brand. I like this Botox very much because it doesn't need to be mixed. It saves artists time and making procedure easier. For example, I'll show how to apply booster on eyelashes and tell you about main properties of products as well as differences from standard eyelash bot. To prolong the wearing, you must use the formula with lash lifting procedure. Well, first and second lash lift formulas are already applied, as well as lash tint. The next step is booster application on eyelashes. Squeeze the needed amount of serum in the measuring spoon. 0.2 milliliters is absolutely enough for the procedure. Depending on thickness and length of eyelash, smoothly applying the booster full length by using the brush. Hold it on lashes for 10 minutes. So now we are brushing off the lashes with dry earbud. Let's finish the procedure by applying the formula number 3 for the brighter and longer effect. So this is the result we have. So now, does the regenerating booster work in comparison with Lash Botox? The formula function is mainly aimed at filling the damaged parts of eyelash. First of all, it leads to a regenerating effect. In the second place, eyelashes seem more healthy, beautiful and extended. The ingredient atelocollagen makes lashes more glossy and helps to make an invisible protective layer. The booster formula is enriched with 5 oils: castor, almond, argan, macadamia, and jojoba. They make lashes stronger, elastic, and smooth and breaking. The booster also contains aloe latex, betaine, panthenol, provitamin B5, hydrolyzed whey proteins, and hydrate rice proteins, tocopherol, acetate, and vitamin A. All of that enhances effect of Botox, enriches and saturates eyelashes. Despite the fact regeneration booster does not have to be diluted, the effect is as splendid as regular Botox effect, and it is enough for 65 up to 80 procedures. Botox is placed amongst spa procedures because of vapor bath and possibility of client to have a rest. Meantime, booster is as quick and easy because you don't have to dilute it and make a vapor bath. Booster absorbs quite well and making easier the process of ungluing the silicone form, decreases usage of formula number 3. However, the effect of both is wonderful. Each client to his own. Make your clients beautiful and happy. Please upvote this video if it was helpful. See you later.